Hi again. So once you have done this part, that is to prepare all the content that the poster has to have. Once you have finished that, once you have prepared all the pictures, all and everything that you want to fill, you want to use to put in the poster, when you have everything ready, now it's time to go to the poster. Okay. Okay, to do that, we are going to start by going to your document in Teams, and there you have there. Sorry, you have there the second part. Okay, and as I told you in the first video, there is here a link that leads you to some templates to use PowerPoint to work with PowerPoint and use a poster to make the poster. So if you go to that, look, it leads you to this site where you have several templates. You have to choose which one you want to use. They are very similar and they are all very nice. My recommendation is that you use always one that has white in the background and not very dark in the background like this, because when you paste drawings are going to be white like this. Okay, so I think that it's better to use this green, for example, that has a white black background, or better than this, or this that is a little bit pink. Okay, or this that is white too, or okay, there are some of them. Okay, let's choose one of them, any of them. Let's choose, for example, this. I'm going to choose, I don't know which one. Okay, any of them. This one that is green. Okay, if you want to download, I recommend to use the greatest one. This is the greatest template, and if you use the greatest template, later what you are going to do is to when you print it out in a small size, is perfect. Okay, so better if you use the greatest template, then you click here and it downloads. Okay, if you want to see where you have downloaded that, you click there and show the folder, and then as you can see here, there is a creative chart. Okay, this is the one I have downloaded, and this is another one I have downloaded before. Okay, you can choose any of them. And now what you have to do is to open this with the PowerPoint presentation. Let's do it. So I'm gonna open the one, this. Okay, this is my, now as you can see here, it says I have to let the program edit. Okay, I need to let it edit. So I click here, and then it says this. Okay, I think I have to choose, okay, because there are some fonts that I cannot use, but it is not it perfect. I can use whatever. Okay, so now I have, as you can see, the template. Okay, here I have more examples too. Okay, here I have another example. This is another example of another template. Okay, or here I have the one I have used to do my matching, right? So let's start. Let's start. Let's start with one of the templates. For example, with this one, which is a little bit different. Okay, what do we need? We need to include here here the the titles of my project. Okay, they have It has different titles, but I need to use the ones that are the ones that I want to use. Okay, this is not a scientific poster template. Okay, what is it? I have to put here my project name, which is Marble Run Machine. So the only thing I have to do is come here and change the information here and write Marble Run Machine. Okay, so this is my title. So because I only have one title, perhaps I could do this a little bit greater and eliminate the second part of a name. Okay, the second part of a name, I eliminate it and make this a little bit, my God, and make this a little bit greater. Okay, good. And now right here, the name of the author of the poster, your name, and here the school. Okay, it is the IES Alonso de Ercilla. IES Alonso de Ercilla, technology, second of ESO, and so on. Okay. If you want to, you can add here also the logo of the school and the logo of whatever. Okay. So to include something, if you want to insert an image, you come here to insert and then image. Okay. So I click here in insert and then images here. Okay. Images. And then you have to go where you have the images. In my case, I have it here. I have here the logo of the school, and then here is the logo of the school, and I place it where I prefer. Look how they align. Okay, it appears a line. It appears here a line when you move the object, and then you can put it straight and align it to the other elements. Okay, so look, when I move it, it looks aligned to this, and now I can make it a little bit stronger, which is perfect. And now if I want to include also the other logo, for example, this one, if you like it, you can. Okay, again, you align it to the other one. Okay, here. Okay, now I have to change this. For example, here in this test, instead of this, I'm gonna put chosen design. Chosen design. Because here is where I'm gonna place the picture of my drawing, because I have scanned the drawings. Then what I'm doing now is to make this test disappear, because this test I don't want them to be here. So I click on it, click on the test, okay, and click on soup, delete, and I delete it. Now I'm going to include again here in insert, okay, insert image, again, insert image, and then I'm going to put one of the drawings. It is a little bit small. Okay, look how you align it. Okay, can you see? It shows these arrows to see, okay, the dimension of this distance. Okay, so it helps you to do the alignment Perfect. Okay? So respect all these things. Look, now I have it. Now let's add, for example, a piece of text. For I don't know. Imagine you want to need to move these materials. Okay, they are not materials. They are materials and tools and tools. Okay, and you don't want it to be here because it is very there is not too much space here. You can move it. Can you see? And if you move it following the line, you can. Okay, and the same with the test that goes with it. And you see, you move it, being sure that you have everything right. Now what I'm gonna do is to add, for example, materials and tools here. Okay, where are they? Remember, you have to have it ready first. So I go back to the document where I have materials and tools, and here I have the list of materials and the list of tools. You have to write all this information, and then the only thing you have to do is to select, copy, and then go to the poster and glue it. Okay. Look at the test, at the letter you have used. Okay, because it is very important now. When you glue it, you have to pay attention to the size of the test that you are including. This is my first test I have included here in the body test. Okay, you can select the font that you prefer and the size, but you have to maintain this with all the rest. So I don't want to change that. The only thing I'm gonna change is the size. So I'm gonna select everything, sorry. I'm gonna select everything, look, and now here I'm gonna change the size. Instead of being 18, I'm gonna put something greater. So you can use also the this, okay? You can use this or right here. I'm gonna put 24, which is a good size. Okay, so 24 is perfect. And now, done. So if you want to go closer, you go closer and think if you like how it looks. Okay, it is not bad. Materials. Perhaps it would be a good idea to copy here. Okay, to make a little bit distance from the list of materials, and for the tools we do the same. Okay, we separate it a little bit, and now we have it. Okay, and as you can see, there are a lot of space here. What you could do here is to add uh, one drawing or two drawings there. So let's do it. Again, insert image, and let's insert the glue gun. Okay, this is very big gun, but we can reduce it and glue it here because it's a tool. Okay, again, insert image, and why not the cutter knife? Include the cutter knife. You have here the cutter knife. Okay, you reduce it too, and you can put it here, for example. Okay, I think that now the tools are good. Tools and materials are good. Okay, something else. For example, I don't know. Here, look, you have results. There is not results. It should be, I don't know, construction construction problems or something like this. You come here, you come here and go and see what, okay, you can see construction work description. So here you have to put this title, okay, construction work and construction details or construction work details or whatever. You could also look, you could also select, okay, it is a very long title, but we can do something with that. Copy, okay, and now we go to the poster again, and here is where we have to put this test, right? If you copy here, paste, look what is going to happen. It's going to change. It's going to change the the font. So let's do it. You can copy, but now what we are going to do is something that is very, very, very interesting. Look, we are going to we are going to uh, use this type of font, the format of the conclusion, to apply to the construction word description. Okay, to this. Okay, later we can change that. Let's see how to do it. What we are going to do is to take take this, okay, copy this, but copy the format. Okay, it says copiar formato. Copy the format and apply this format to all this. Look what happened. It came here. Okay, so we can go closer and see what has happened. Okay, so this is something you can do. Okay, construction word description. Okay, you want to, you could open this, make it a little bit, okay, and then the title is a little bit richer. Okay, so this is our title. Okay, you can make it a little bit slow, lower to move this here, right? As you can see, I'm maintaining the distance, okay, and the distance and the alignment and everything. And now I have this. Okay, now I have to include here the information about construction work. Where is it? It's here. So I select all the information about the construction work. Copy. Go to the poster. Come to the block where I have to include this information. Paste. And look, now the test has different size and different format. Where is the right format? The right format was here. So I can take this, okay, I can take this format, glue, copy the format, go back to the place where I had pasted it. Oh, wait. And apply the format here. So let's do it again. So I copy the format here. Okay, copy. This is copiar formato. Copy the format and apply inside this. And now I have the same format there and here. And now I can closer because there are something that, I don't know, add information. This add information is something that I haven't delayed before. Okay, so here and now, if you have finished with that, you can put this a little bit higher or wait, or perhaps is here in this space is a good place to add a picture of the project. Okay, so we are going to insert a drawing. Okay, no, a drawing, a picture. Insert image, and now I'm gonna put this. Okay, it's very small. Better if you have you cannot use so small pictures. I don't know why I have so small pictures, but they are not. It is not a good idea to put so small pictures. You have to have it written. Okay, so it is not good. A good idea to do what I have done, that is to magnify. Okay, look, then I have to use better this one that is greater. Okay, this is better. Okay, so what is it is a good idea is to reduce the size. Okay, because the resolution, the quality of the picture is the same when you reduce. So more or less, okay, this is the way to do the project, to do the poster. Of course, you have to include all the information. You need more information. You could add more details. I don't know if you can see here the other example I have done. Okay, as you can see here, I have included group of marbles, of course, the first ideas and designs, the initial ideas. So you have to include the initial ideas, the information, the design conditions. Okay, this is the way. Of course, you have more examples. Here you have more examples. Okay, there are here a lot of examples of different posters done with different projects, with different programs. Okay, what I have explained here is to do it with PowerPoint, which is a very popular application. So see you in next videos. Bye. Thank you for watching. It was a very long video. I'm sorry.